A lot of people are asking me how to charge properly a Porsche Taycan. I'll show you guys. You have to swipe this. See? It's so cool, right? This side is for the high voltage charging port. Then, let's go around. Then this side, this one is for the home charging kit. The owner said it's around 10 to 11 hours for a full charge. Then the other port is like just less than 1 hour. Yes, you can charge this through a normal socket at your home. Good morning everyone, welcome back to Infotainment channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH and today guys I have with me a brand new 2022 Porsche Taycan. So I'll show you all the mods that we did to this car. Let's check it out. This is the first modified Taycan in the country and I'm super excited to show you guys all the mods that we did. First and foremost, you can see this Tech Art front spoiler. It's made out of carbon fiber. Looks so nice, the quality and fitment is perfect. You can actually buy this in gloss black finish, but the owner requested to have all carbon fiber parts to his car. As you can see, the front air curtain, it's all made out of carbon fiber as well. Looks so nice, and the finish quality is amazing. Also, we have here this Tech Art Formula 6 measuring 22-inch, 22 by 10 at the front, 22 by 11 and a half at the rear. It's wrapped with Continental tires, measuring 285/30/22. These are the forged wheels from Tech Art. Looks so nice and I think it's perfect for this car. The finish of this is polished with gunmetal inner, all gloss. Do you agree this looks perfect on this car? Comment in the comment section if you like this setup. This car is in the lowest setting mode, so it looks lowered, but you can raise it up if you want to clear some speed bumps. Also, this is from Tech Art, the carbon fiber mirror housing and this carbon fiber triangle insert. Looks gorgeous. This is from Tech Art as well, this whole carbon fiber side skirt. It's sporting this fin design. Also, you can see all the carbon fiber side skirt from Tech Art from here. When you enter, the finish and the fitment, I can always tell you, you can never go wrong with Tech Art quality parts. The Tech Art fin continues all the way from the back. The diffusers are all in carbon fiber. This is from Tech Art as well. You can actually order this in gloss black, as mentioned, for the front apron, but the customer wanted all carbon fiber. From Tech Art as well, the spoiler. Looks nice, very subtle, and yeah, it looks perfect for this car. Also, it's sporting Infotainment badge. It's very easy to engage the launch control of this car. You just need to put the drive mode to sport, chassis to sport plus, then put it into drive, press the brake and gas pedal to show launch control activated, and just release the brakes. Are you guys ready? I'll launch this in 3, 2, 1. Guys, we're now inside the Porsche Taycan and I can see this is a very nice interior, guys. Believe it or not, I really like the design. Well, generally Porsche makes good interiors, but this one takes it. Especially this curved display. Look at that, it's curved, guys. It's so nice. Also, the visibility is pretty good. It's basically like a Panamera, but EV. You're comfy. I'm comfy. Driving position, seating position is really, really good. The buttons and the fit and finish are really good too. The display, the center console display is very bright and modern and very easy to use. So we're now at the medium height. When we're filming earlier, I was pressing low and it's really low. Looks so good. And you don't even need to have lowering springs because this is running on air, I believe. See the infotainment navigation. As you can see the map, we're around Pasig area. Very easy to use. Then media, Apple CarPlay. It has Apple CarPlay just like the 992 variant and the newer Macan Cayenne. Then you can change actually the drive modes here. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S and the Turbo has this button to navigate the modes. But for this car, this is the base Taycan, which is a rear-wheel drive car. We can actually set the modes here. So we're now at the sport range. I always drive it in the sportiest setting, so faster response on the accelerator, really good steering feel. So chassis Sport Plus. It's actually pretty fast. It's not turbo Taycan fast. 0 to 60 is around 5 seconds, 5.3, 5.2 seconds. It's pretty fast for an electric car, and it's pretty fast for a normal daily car. Actually, they say this is a better buy and a better value car. Porsche Philippines sells this for around 9 million. It's not bad. I mean, you get all these technology and a pretty good range. The range of this is around 350 to 400 kilometers. So we did the launch control on this car earlier, as you can see in the video clip. This produces more horsepower when you do the launch control. Can you believe? So I think in launch control mode, it has around 420. So it's like an overboost, as they say. So it's pretty fast and torquey. And deceivingly, it's very quiet. Funny thing is, JM was videoing and telling me to go fast, but he didn't know I was going really fast already because there's no sound. I don't think I need to put down the windows anymore for a pull, but yeah, let's do it. There's no sound. Okay, guys, here. Instant torque. Still feel fast. And the turning radius is pretty good too. Yeah. Okay, one more pull, guys. Are you ready? Okay, game. Instant torque, really. Yeah. It's not bad for a heavy car. Super quiet. If you need a relaxing car to drive after work, or if you need a car that you want to be relaxed in, I think EV cars is pretty good. I don't know if the owner tested this already because this is technically brand new, guys. Funny thing is, the parts came in before the car. We ordered the parts ahead of time. I think I got one of the first allocation from Tech Art, Germany, for the Taycan program. So we installed all the carbon fiber bits and pieces. When the car arrived, the owner asked Porsche Philippines to tow this car to Alex Car Restoration to install everything. Truly, we believe stock is always boring. The owner of this car, my friend, said that he didn't want to drive it stock. Literally, all his cars are modified as well. So if you guys like parts, hit me up in Facebook, Import Hookup, or message me in Instagram, KBH__KBH. I have all the parts that you need for your Euro car, exotic, sports car. Even if you don't have the car yet, just like the owner of this car,
you can message me and you can buy all the parts you want at Importucop. So that's it for today's episode. See you guys on the next one. Bye!